Hey guys, so today we are going to see how to create a bootable USB drive in Linux. And if you are using Fedora, any version of it, it's going to be super easy for you. Right now I'm using a Fedora 42 and you can do it in any other Linux versions. So what you have to do is that you have to just go into the terminal and let's say this is my terminal. I will just write media writer. It's a MEDIA WRITER. Just hit enter. It will open up this software. It's as simple as that. So Media Writer is a software where you can actually create the bootable drives. And right now I have a pen drive plugged in and it already have ISO files. I have already created a bootable file beforehand. So all you have to do if you have this, so all you have to do is that you just click next and that you want to restore it. So I will just click restore and right now it will ask me the password. So I will just hit enter the password and it's restoring for me. So let me tell you brief about what is a media writer is and how can you actually do it if you are using any other kind of a Linux. So let's say you are using an Alpine Linux or Rocky Linux, or let's say you are using a Mint Linux or Debian based. So this is a RHEL based Linux Fedora and media writer is particularly installed in it. So all you have to do is that if you're using in any other version like in a Debian based or OpenSUSE or something like that, so you just have to search media writer and go and Google and search it and you just install it in it. Like either you can use apt, DNF or any other package manager to install it. And after you doing the procedure is a very same. You have to restore it. If you don't have a already bootable file created pen drive, then you just have to click select, which I also have to select and proceed further. I will show you in this video. Let it get completed. And yeah, in the meanwhile, I can tell you like I'm using the Uni Data Center and it's super easy for researchers or anyone who wanted computational resources. So all you have to do is that you just type Uni Data Center in Google, you go to the website, it's called unidatacenter.com, or there is an alternative website also there, uni-datacenter.com. So you can use any of both of them. You can primarily contact us to get the resources, and we are bringing very exciting products at your doorsteps. You just have to have a laptop and you can do a magnificent task um, like let's say like if I want to do an AI simulations or a AI job or something, I just want to simulate something or I want a raw compute power, come to Unity Data Center. We have the best things for you at a very affordable and nominal charges. Also, if you are a student and want to get your hands on how to actually use an HPC in like one third of a dollar, like I mean like one third of a $10, let's say $3 or $4, you can actually get a 1 month membership and get your hands on how to use a system like an HPC. Because in your career is going to be very crucial skills that you need to represent to your employer. So now, as you can see, the restoration has finished. I just click on finish. Now it's asking me this download automatically or select an ISO files. I have already downloaded it, so I will just select now, select ISO files. Click on next. Now it is going to ask you which USB drive are you want to boot it. So I have already plugged in the Kingston Data Traveler. So I will just click on this. If you have a multiple, you can select out of them. Now I want to select which file I want to write in. So it will just give you this. Let's say I have already downloaded this Linux Mint. I will just select it and now it's done. You just have to click on write. It will show this warning message that all the data will be gone. So take a backup beforehand if you have some valuables in the pen drive. You just click on write. It will ask you the password again and it's done. It's writing. After it finished, it will just pop up a message that the job has been finished and you can actually plug it out and use as a mount driver. It's that simple in Fedora. If you are using any other Linux versions or Linux Debian based or anything else, you can do what I said just earlier. Just install the media writer and it's done. It's that easy. So I will see you in the next video. If you find this content very valuable, then do like us and subscribe to our channel and follow for more. And if you have any comments, any questions that you want to ask or anything else regarding Linux or HPC or simulations, research, you can definitely connect with us and we are ready to help you out in that. So let's see you on the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.